Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department of Faculty of Education and Methodology. Program name BSc B.Ed PCM 5th Sem, and course name is Multivariate Calculus and Vector Differentiation. Session of today is multiple integral and numerical problem on multiple integral. So Bitiyas, in front of you there is two numerical problem in this regard. First problem is to evaluate double integration r x y dx dy positive quadrant for which x plus y less than or equal to 1. So first of all, draw the figure. Here x y axis is given and line x plus y is equal to 1 is also given here, and it make a triangle. So we have to consider the region under the x plus y is equal to 1. It is because in the inequality given here x plus y less than is equal to 1. So enclosed region is x axis, y axis and x plus y is equal to 1. So in order to evaluating this integration I is equal to r x y dx dy, first of all we have to putting the limit of x is equal to 0 to 1. It is because in x axis strip lies between x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. This strip lies between O point to A point. O से A तक ये स्ट्रिप वेरी करेगी, मूव कर सकती है. सो लिमिट विल बी 0 to 1. In the same manner, limit of y on y axis, it is lies between y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1 minus x. In under y is equal to 0 and above it is y is equal to 1 minus x. So lower limit will be 0 and upper limit will be 1 minus x, xy dx dy. These are the limit of this function. Now integrating with respect to first of all y. So in the bracket function of y is enclosed here and it is written as 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus x, y dy x dx. So first of all multiplied y with respect to y, and after integration it gives the y square upon 2, and lower limit is 0 and upper limit 1 minus x, x dx is equal to 1 by 2 common and 0 to 1, or putting the value of 1 minus x at the place of y, it become 1 minus x square and x dx. Now we have a function only in the variable x and we have the limit of x. So this function can be integrated only with respect to x. It is because this function is only in x variable. So 1 by 2, 0 to 1, squaring and multiplying with x, this gives the polynomial x minus 2x square plus x cube dx. And after integrating, the value will be x square by 2 minus 2x cube upon 3 plus x to the power 4 upon 4, 0 to 1. Putting the upper limit at the place of x minus putting the limit of 0 at the place of x. This gives the value 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4, or after adding or multiplying by 1 by 2 we get the final answer 1 upon 25. Second problem is evaluate xy upon under root a square minus y square dx dy over the positive quadrant of circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. So we have to draw the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. We are knowing well this is the equation of that circle whose origin is whose center is origin and radius is a. So this is drawn, and this integrated is calculated only on first quadrant, so only first quadrant is showing here. Now putting the limit, here the strip varies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. On the x-axis, strip varies point O to A, or here coordinate 0 0 to 0 0 to A0. So integration limit of x is equal to 0 to a. In the same way, under this line on the y, in this respect of y is equal to 0 to y is equal to under root a square minus x square. It is because BPA, this is the boundary of circle, and equation of circle will be x square plus y square is equal to a square. So y square is equal to a square minus x square, and y is equal to plus minus under root a square minus x square. Here taking only positive value, it is because only first quadrant is here. So putting the value in the equation, and first of all we have to integrate it with respect to the y, and we get 0 to a x under root a square minus y square under root 0 to under root a square minus x square dx. This is the integration of this, and putting the value of upper limit at the place of y, we get a square minus a square plus x square. So a square and a square cancel out, and a square of x and root of x gives the x. So x in bracket minus x plus a dx. Again integrating with respect to x and putting the value of upper limit and lower limit, it gives the integration minus x cube upon 3 plus ax square upon 2 0 to a, or finally answer is a cube upon 6. So these are two problems of line integration in front of you. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.